Hello again! In this video, you will learn how to upload fallback avatars to VRChat using SkinEdit. With the latest update, SkinEdit can now automatically optimize your avatar for both PC and Quest. When you press Prepare for Upload, you will now get new options to prepare your avatar for VRChat. In addition to preparing your avatar for PC, SkinEdit can now also generate Quest fallback, and PC fallback versions of your avatar. To upload a fallback avatar to VRChat, you will need to upload both the Quest fallback and PC fallback versions of your avatar. That means that you will need to go through the Prepare for Upload process twice. The upload order doesn't matter, but you have to follow through and upload both fallback versions. When you upload a Quest fallback avatar, you have to make sure that you click the Use for Fallback checkbox. If you don't do this, VRChat will not recognize your avatar as fallback compatible. After uploading the Quest fallback avatar, you will need to reopen your avatar in the SkinEdit editor and prepare the PC fallback avatar. If the editor asks you if you want to upload as new or replace, choose to replace. When you have successfully uploaded both fallback versions of your avatar, you can go into VRChat and use your avatar as a fallback. I hope this video was helpful and lets many more people enjoy your avatar.